Hello, friends. Very good evening to one and all. Myself, Sushant Shetty, and today I have thought to start a new campaign with a hashtag Sushant for Sushant. My name is Sushant for Sushant. With that hashtag, I am trying to fight for the justice of the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput. Friends, there has been a lot of things which have been revealed today to reality. I see a lot of tweets from people of Shiv Sena, that to Aditya Thackeray. He says that he has no relation with this murder. He also claims that is it something bad to have a good relationship with the Bollywood fraternities? No, definitely it's not bad to have a good relationship. That good relationship must not harm a person or kill a person. But today, that relationship of Aditya Thackeray's family, Udbhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray, with the Bollywood mafia and the nepotists in Bollywood has led to the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager Disha Salian along with Sushant Singh Rajput. Friends, today we can clearly find the link between the murder of Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput. Reason being, after Disha Salian's murder, there had been a phone call which has come from Sushant's friend Siddharth that there has been a death of this girl Disha Salian through suicide. But as Sushant Singh Rajput himself has got called before June 8th, stating that she attended a party with some of the Bollywood fraternities where even the politicians were involved. They tried to misbehave with Disha Salian, tried to use her like a sex object which she was not interested towards, and later she made some time to speak to Sushant, wherein Sushant informed her to leave the place as early as possible. And once she left the place, due to some anonymous mystical thing which has happened, a self-made or a killed murder has been converted into a suicide from a 14th floor, which generally can't happen. Disha Salian was also a strong girl. How could she even commit a suicide? It was ridiculously not a suicide but a pre-planned murder. Friends, after her murder, when Sushant came to know, when he correlated what happened before her murder, that is the conversation of Disha Salian with Sushant, and what Siddharth has told him that she has committed suicide, he has made an attempt to put out these true colors into public. But during this process, Rhea Chakravarti had made a high drama with Sushant Singh Rajput and tried to make a breakup with him, and later they have done a pre-planned and a well-planned murder. Because on 14th June, when Sushant Singh Rajput has died and when his body was taken to the ambulance, there has been different version of people lifting the body and bringing it down. One says Siddharth Patani has done it. Another one says it's the police department people who have done it. Other person says no, it is the people with him, some cook or someone who has done it. So there has been different versions. The ambulance driver says he has done it. So there has been exactly 3 versions of the investigation, which clearly states that there is a very big foul play which is happening here. Friends, And also, as you know, the IPS officer of Bihar who has went to Mumbai has been quarantined, wherein he has went for a thorough investigation. They might have done an antigen test for him immediately and released him for the further process. But they have not done that. What they have only done is try to postpone the case, and by the time they try postponing the case, they are trying to erase all the evidences. Even today, Mumbai police is not ready to give the postmortem report of Disha Salian's murder, which is considered to be a suicide in public. Because, friends, let me tell you one more fact and figure straight. Today, if Sushant Singh Rajput did not die and he was alive, do you really think Disha Salian's murder would be so thoroughly investigated? No, it would have been just simply closed. But because Sushant is a great eminent actor and we all love Sushant case has been investigated. By that investigation, we could link it to several other things. That is Disha Salian's death. Even her death has got a lot of importance today. Even her life has an importance today. So I urge, not only Sushant Singh Rajput should get a justice today. It's a campaign not just for Sushant Singh Rajput. It's also a campaign for his ex-manager Disha Salian. So I urge you to run 2 hashtags along with this video and share it to maximum number of people. 1. Hashtag justice to Disha Salian. Number 2 is hashtag Sushant for Sushant Singh Rajput, or you can even put it as Sushant for Sushant Singh Rajput. I want this campaign to run out and Sushant Singh Rajput should get justice. His family should get justice. His father KK Singh need to get justice, and Riya Chakravarti and the Bollywood nepotists, whoever is involved. I think even his friend has a role in this. I strongly think his friend has a role in this. Also, the brother of Riya Chakravarti, Mr. Shawik, his name is Shawik is what I see. I just even saw his profile on Instagram. And he has made his profile blocked and limited and stuff like that. Even I feel he is a big murderer who is involved in this particular case. Reason being, I could see a last post of his image where he has written a para about Sushant Singh Rajput. He says, I could see Sushant in the sky, this bullshit. They have completely used Sushant Singh Rajput is what I want to say. The entire family of Riya Chakravarti need to be booked today. I precisely feel they have left to Mumbai. I could see in Google Riya Chakravarti's place of birth or something. It's related to Bangalore. There are chances Riya is hiding somewhere in Bangalore now. So I want a thorough investigation of this to happen, and I want people to lead this particular campaign and a digital strike against this Bollywood nepotism and for the justice to the great eminent actor Sushant Singh Rajput and also his ex-manager Disha Salian. With this, I would like to end my video. Let's all pray and fight for Sushant. See you till then. Goodbye.